Hello students, welcome to e-classes of PNMSG High School. We will continue with our chapter number first, question number 21, page number 14 from your workbook. Answer the following question on the basis of the table given below. Here a table is given and certain information is given. We have to answer the question on the basis of this table. Here type of mango and rate per kilogram is given. Like badam mango. The rate of badam mango is rupees 60 per kilo. Totapuri mango. The rate of Totapuri mango is rupees 40 per kilogram. Hafus, that is Alfonso, is rupees 50 per kilogram. Langdo is rupees 70 per kilogram. Kesar is rupees 150 per kilogram. Now sum number 1 of question number 21. Sudhaben buys 3 kilogram badam mango. How much amount does she pay? Here what is given is Sudhaben purchases 3 kg of badam mango. And what we have to find out is how much does she pays. So first we will write cost of 1 kilogram badam mango is rupees 60. See students, in the table itself it's written the cost of badam mango is rupees 60 per kilogram. Sudhaben buys badam mango is equals to 3 kg. Sudhaben purchases 3 kilogram of badam mango. Now what we have to find out is total amount she pays. To find out the total amount, we have to multiply these two numbers. We will multiply 60 by 3. We will get rupees 180. Therefore, Sudhaben pays rupees 180. Now sum number 2. Mayaben buys 5 kg Totapuri mango and Jayaben buys 4 kg Hafus mango. How much amount do they pay individually to the shopkeeper? Now student, what is given in the question is, there are two ladies, Mayaben and Jayaben. Mayaben buys 5 kg of Totapuri mango and Jayaben buys 4 kg of Hafus mango. We have to find out how much do they individually, separately pay to the shopkeeper. What does Mayaben pays to the shopkeeper and what amount Jayaben pays to the shopkeeper. Now solution for sum number 2, question number 21. We have to separately find out the amount which Mayaben has to pay to the shopkeeper. So first we will calculate what Mayaben has to pay. Cost of 1 kilogram Totapuri mango is equals to rupees 40. See student, in the table it's mentioned that the cost of Totapuri mango is rupees 40 per kilogram. And number of mangoes she purchases is 5 kilogram. So what we have to find out is total cost of mangoes. So to calculate the cost of mangoes, we have to multiply these two numbers. So by multiplying 40 by 5, we will get rupees 200. Therefore, Mayaben will pay rupees 200 to the shopkeeper. Next, what Jayaben will pay to the shopkeeper. This also we have to calculate. So cost of 1 kilogram of Hafus mango is equals to rupees 50. See here in the table, cost of Hafus mango is also given rupees 50 per kilogram. And the number of mangoes which she purchases is 4 kilogram. Now we have to find out the total cost of mangoes. By multiplying 50 and 4, we get 200, which is the cost of 4 kilogram of mango. Therefore, Jayaben will pay rupees 200 to the shopkeeper. Now we move to sum number 3 of question number 21. Rajendra Bhai buys 4 kilogram Langdo mango and Narendra Bhai buys 2 kilogram of Kesar mango. Who will pay more and how much? Now student, what is given in the question is that Rajendra Bhai purchases 4 kilogram of Langdo mango and Narendra Bhai purchases 2 kilogram of Kesar mango. What we have to find out in this question is who will pay more, Rajendra Bhai or Narendra Bhai, and how much will he pay more. So solution for sum number 3, question 21. Here also we will individually calculate the amount which Rajendra Bhai has to pay and the amount which Narendra Bhai has to pay. First we will calculate what Rajendra Bhai will pay. So cost of 1 kg of Langdo mango is equals to rupees 70. See here in the table it's given Langdo is equals to rupees 70 per kg. And number of mangoes is equals to 4 kilogram. Then Rajendra Bhai purchases 4 kg of Langdo mango. So the total cost of mangoes is equals to 70 multiplied by 4, that is rupees 280. So Rajendra Bhai will pay rupees 280 to the shopkeeper. Now we will calculate what Narendra Bhai will pay. Cost of 1 kg of Kesar mango is equals to rupees 150, which is also given in the table. And the number of mangoes is equals to 2 kilogram. Total cost of mangoes is equals to 150 multiplied by 2, that is rupees 300. So therefore Narendra Bhai will pay rupees 300 to the shopkeeper. Student, what we have to find out in the question is who will pay more and how much. See, as we have calculated that Rajendra Bhai will pay rupees 280 to the shopkeeper and Narendra Bhai will pay rupees 300 to the shopkeeper. So by looking to the answers, we can clearly see that Narendra Bhai will pay more to the shopkeeper. Now we have to find out how much Narendra Bhai will pay more to the shopkeeper. So to find out, we have to subtract these two numbers. Narendra Bhai will pay 300 minus 280, that is rupees 20 more to the shopkeeper. So students, with this we end our today's video and will continue with our chapter in the next video. Thank you.